Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing pretty well. So,
Happy Teachers Day.
happy Teachers' Day to all.
It is Teachers Day today, so we can discuss about Teachers Day, okay?
Yeah, okay.
You can
So,
start.
yes. In our country, Teachers' Day is celebrated. It's celebrated on annually September September 5th since 1962. And the date was chosen to birthday of Dr. Sarpalli Radhakrishnan, who was who was prominent philosopher, scholar, and statesman who served as a vice president of India. After that, he he made the second president of India. So, Teachers' Day is celebrated uh, on his birthday.
Yeah, you are right, and your
Yeah,
thought is good. I want to
your
say,
voice is not
this
clear.
time I am audible.
Yes.
Yes, yes. I speak loudly, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, why we are celebrate Teachers Day? Because Sarpalli Radhakrishna was born 5 September 1988. That's why
Yes.
we are celebrate Teachers Day, and our country our country have celebrate Teachers Day 1962, 5 September 1962, and one day Sarpalli Radhakrishna student asked sir, I have to celebrate your birthday. But he replied, okay, if you want to celebrate my birthday, so you can celebrate. But if you celebrate my birthday as Teacher's Day, so I like but this
Yeah.
birthday. So that's
Yes.
why
Yes.
we are celebrate birthday Teacher's Day. We are celebrate Teacher's Day. Okay.
Yes.
You know, Sarpalli Radhakrishna was born in a
Please
village
speak
Tamil Nadu.
loudly.
You know, Sarpalli Radhakrishna was born in village Tamil Nadu. He fond of reading book, okay? And he was very intelligent. He was in the president. He was a first president. He was a first vice president in India.
Yes. And
Yes, then second president our India.
second president. Yeah.
After, yeah, Ago vice president. In president, he was a teacher. That's
Yes.
why we are celebrate Teachers Day. So I want to ask you, what is important Teachers Day in your life? Can explain?
Yes, teachers is playing important role in our life. We can't live a good life without a teacher. Teachers make us perfect. Teachers make our future bright. And a good teacher is like a candle. He so they shows they show the right path. They teach us manners, discipline, and teach us a lot of things. So it helps to our future. And it is said that one pen, one child, one book, and one teacher can change the world.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
you are right. If we have one, if yeah, you are right. If एक बच्चा एक पेन एक टीचर पूरी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकता है.
Yes,
You are
yes,
right.
yes, yes. It is right. If
Yeah,
yeah, so we get more knowledge about from teachers.
yeah, yeah. And
Yeah,
teacher is the mirror of society, and we
yes,
get teacher is very important in our life. If we
yes,
have
yes.
teachers, we can get
We-
too much knowledge in
Yeah,
our life. Without teacher, we can't get knowledge.
yes, yes. We without teacher we can't get a good life.
Yeah,
Yes, and when we teacher make us good citizen, and good citizen make a great nation, a good nation.
yeah. टीचर वन टीचर ऑलवेज सेड समय और समझदारी दोनों एक ही चीज नहीं होती है, दोनों अलग अलग चीज होती है। जब
Yeah,
समय रहता है तो समझदारी नहीं होती, जब समझदारी होती है तो समय नहीं होता। तो टीचर
नहीं
ये
होता है।
अपन की सही राह दिखाना सिखाते हैं कि कौन सी चीज कब सही है कब गलत है।
Yes,
और क्या टीचर ये देखता है, और पूरी दुनिया ये देखती है कि तुम, वो सुनना नहीं चाहते, वो देखना चाहते हैं कि तुमने क्या प्राप्त किया है, और टीचर ही ये सही राह दिखाते हैं। तो टीचर
yes,
इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ।
in our life. Yeah, it is said that गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. It is said that.
क्लैपिंग फॉर यू।
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, mm,
या
yeah,
इफ वी गो रॉन्ग वे, सो डेफिनेटली वी से ऑलवेज टीचर से यू आर गो टू रॉन्ग वे एंड ही करेक्ट ऑलवेज। टीचर इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ।
our first teacher is our mother.
या
Yeah, we learned lots of things from our mother. Yeah,
when we child, when we born, that time we don't know how to
yes,
go here and there. That time always mother help.
yes, yes. She always help us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how to celebrate Teachers Day in your school days?
Okay. When I used to study in school time, that time first of all, our teachers day, we can discuss, we used to discuss, we have to celebrate this teachers day. Then we used to collect money. We used to collect money, around 10 to 50 rupees. Then then we then we used to go any shop, because we have to purchase any gift, like first of all pen, chocolate, and some gifts.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And
Yeah. When I was in school, then yeah, many program is celebrated uh, on Teachers Day. So and the students collected money, and then they after that they bought gifts for teachers, and they uh, and after that they gave him.
and that day teacher always said, you have to teach today all
Yeah.
students.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, and I got lots of gifts. I teach some kids at my home, and I got lots of gift from my students.
Very good. You have
Yeah.
good opportunity this time, because you are teacher.
Yes. Yes.
So we do celebrate teachers day today. in your with your student?
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
And
So
it is Teachers Day today. You are looking very gorgeous, really.
thank you. So uh, any other question?
When I used to study one class to 10th class, she is very good and she is always motivate me. You have to study every day and you don't go other way. So I like this teacher.
Yes, yes.
So, so all teach. So I want to say all teacher happy
Yes,
Teachers
I
Day.
would. Yes, yeah. I would
Okay.
like to thank you to all my teachers who taught me lots of things and always helps me. So and those people who taught me lots of things. So thanks to all. Yeah. So
Nice, nice to meet you.
same here.
This this was very good conversation.
Yeah.